Right, following the instructions from the internet, we're making our black buckets that are going to be mosquito traps. And this is what they said. They said a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. I've got clumpy brown sugar here, so what I'm doing is I'm just putting in what I think of as a couple of tablespoons in there. Okay, this is 1 gallon, but we're going to end up adding more water, which will, in fact, make the thing, I think, the ratio we want. My tactic is I am going to use 5-gallon buckets, and I am going to put about 2 gallons of this product into the buckets. So yeah, there's about, a couple tablespoons, and we're going to get the active yeast. Just going to use 1 full packet. That was the previous packet. The active yeast, which they say it should be warm, so I am not going to go through the business of heating up a thing of water for this. It's hot outside here, and the glass jar and the buckets and so on, they're all going to be hot. The water's going to be hot. So all that really has to happen here is that the brown sugar and the yeast need to melt, and they need to activate the yeast, once it's out there. So we're going to add this active dry yeast. Okay. And we're going to let this get as hot as we can possibly let it get. It was just really quiet. Those are my buckets right there. 2 5-gallon buckets. And what I did was I painted them black, because black is the color these mosquitoes like, and everybody's noticing that. They like black environments. So I painted those 2 blue buckets black. And now I am creating the solution that goes inside. So here you go. Now I've put in that stuff in there. I'll go about, the bottom of it. And I'll go to about the halfway point. Give it a swirl. Shaking a swirl. You're getting that brown sugar dissolved, and you're getting the yeast activated. That's the objective here. And I'll fill it to the top, and I will add it to the bucket. So a bit of mixing when you're doing that. And then I'm going to get another gallon of hot water. So there'll be 2 gallons of this material in there when I am done. And then I take it out into the yard, and I'm placing it in the yard, and I'm using cardboard boxes to kind of shield it and create a place that they want to go inside. And then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some dish soap. I'm going to put a drop of dish soap into all of them to see if that helps with this surface tension question that everybody was talking about. So that's the second jug. Here we go. That'll now go outside, and I'll put a cover on it. Now we're finishing up the last one, the 4th one of these. 4 black buckets filled with 2-gallon mixture of active yeast brown sugar. Because what the hope is we're going to have results. So it's not much, it's just going to be like that, a squirt. The idea is that it creates a surface tension. So we'll be doing that into each of them as well. Okay, let's go outside and take a look. Okay, there's the fourth one that we just made, uncovered. I've put it here behind this ladder, kind of in a corner there. It is near the Dynatrap, but I'm not sure if the Dynatrap is working. I mean, I've had it on, but I'm still getting bit. So I don't know whether or not this Dynatrap is really the solution. So I'm going to put that bucket kind of tucked away near there. Let me show you the other three. This one is really nice in the back here. It's got a hole in the top for the mosquitoes to go in. You see that? Okay, so that black bucket is in there with the material in it, near the garden. Wow, our arugula looking good. The second one is there. Okay, I just put some things on top to keep it shaded, and I'm hoping the mosquitoes will be enticed. And the third one is there, where you see that box lying on its side. Here's the last of the buckets. Now I want to just make some kind of light cover. Should be like a light cover. Yeah, see, that's pretty good. That's pretty good, I think. So those are the 4 mosquito traps.